Hey, this is Mark Gupp from Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing at 193 Dartmouth Street in Portland. And this is one of my favorite Portland neighborhoods. So in honor of that, I thought I would wear my Portland sweater. This house has such a convenient location. USM Law School, USM undergrad, 295, close to the boulevard. It's close to the airport. You cannot beat it. So I thought we would take a look around out back before it starts to pour. And I know you're going to love living here. So these people have lived here for many years, and really it was a great place to call home. And I know you're going to feel the same way. So, and I got to say, you can't beat a house with a 2-car garage and a nice backyard, perfect for dogs. So let's take a quick peek out here and then we'll head inside. So as we come in here, this is a great porch. It does have a steam heater in here, so it's perfect really year-round, and a nice glass of apple cider would be great. I'm going to take my shoes off because it's a pretty gross day, and we're going to ask that you guys do the same thing when you come in here. But as you come in, nice entryway, hardwood floors, original flooring, and you've got these beautiful glass doors that lead right into the living room. Oh, this is Jessie. They may or may not be here when you come and visit, but can't have any cute. And our dogs are, I don't want to say no, Irma and Emmett would get very jealous if I said this is the cutest dog, but this is a super cute dog. Please note you've got a wood-burning fireplace, original leaded glass window up above looking out towards the street. And it's kind of a gray day. This house has some wonderful natural light, so I know you'll appreciate that. Got a great circular floor plan, really spacious dining room, and then you have your built-in china cabinet here. And it leads right into the kitchen with your stainless appliances. You got your fridge, your dishwasher, a nice Thermador 4-burner stove with a griddle. And why don't we go, oh, there is a door, there's a side door here that goes out to the side yard. And then we'll go to the basement later, and then we're going to head up to the second floor first. One of the things I love about these old houses is the staircases, and I like how this has that landing and then it turns. So as I'm at the top of the stairs, I'm going to come to the right, and we have a bathroom here with a stand-up shower. And then you've got your checkerboard floor, the black and white tile. And we have the first bedroom over here, currently being used as a home office. I think you'll like that. And you have a nice size, a little corner closet space there. Perfect spot for an ironing board. And we have this bedroom. So this is, looks like I think this is a king size bed. So yeah, it's a pretty spacious bed. So, and this is a good sized bedroom. So, and another closet. We're not going to open up that, but you can come to the house and check it out for yourself. And then we have the other bedroom on this floor, which is in the front of the house. And again, nice hardwood floors, good sized closets. And we can head up to the top floor, which has some great bonus space for folks. So if you're looking for a place to escape from everybody, this is a nice spot. It's a really cozy room here. It does have a radiator as well, which is nice, and a great reading nook. Could be another home office, or maybe a bedroom for someone who just wants to be away from everyone else. And then this is some good bonus space here as well. Someone might want to refinish this a bit, but it certainly works. A nice little hangout room or a rec room, and does have a skylight, which is great. Let's head down to the basement, and I want you just to see that as well. In the basement, we have the laundry, which is wonderful. I think pretty typical of most older Maine homes. We've got the washer and dryer here. There's a bulkhead door that goes out to the backyard. I'm going to ask that people not do that just to get out because it is locked and sealed up for the wintertime, so you can see that when you go around back. Got some old wooden workbenches, which is great. Most important thing down here, this furnace is from 2018, so that's nice, and it's been serviced on a regular basis. We have our oil tank. For those folks that are into canning, this is a great cold storage closet here. So if you wanted to do, canning, one thing I forgot to mention is the farmers market is really close to here, right at Deering Oaks Park. So that is very convenient as well. You have great restaurants, bakeries, you name it. This is a wonderful location. One of the most important things is back on the main floor. So let's head up there real quick and we'll tend to that. Any good house with any good dog owner needs a treat drawer. So we have a little shelf. And Jesse, this one is for you. There you go. So, if you are ready to buy a great house in Portland, give me a call. My number is 207-232-6127. If you have a buyer agent, give them a call. We'd love to help you find your house. And this is a great place. So, hope you can make it to our open house as well. Thanks for watching.